Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a walkthrough animation in Revit. We will cover how to set the camera path, adjust the camera angles, and export the final video of walkthrough. So, first, let me delete the existing walkthroughs since they are not required for this demonstration. To start, go to the project browser and open the floor plan where you want to start the tour. For this demonstration, I am using the ground floor plan. However, if you want to create a walkthrough on the first floor or second floor, you can follow the exact same method. Just open the view for that specific level. Now, for creating the path, navigate to the View tab. Under the 3D View drop-down menu, select Walkthrough. Before jumping into creating the path, we need to set the offset level. It is mandatory to set this height. By default, Revit uses 5 feet 6 inches. You can increase this to 6 feet or lower it if you prefer, but I will stick with the default 5 feet 6 inches. Now, simply click along your desired route to create the path like this. Once you created the path, click Finish Walkthrough option. Now, to change the camera angle, click on Edit Walkthrough. You will see the total number of frames is set to 300 by default. I will navigate to the first frame, which is frame 1, to set the starting angle, and now I am adjusting the camera view just like this way. You can also do that. Next, I will move to the next keyframe to set another angle. You can continue editing the frames one by one to smooth out the turns. For this rendering example, I will keep the total frames at 100 to save time, as 300 frames will take longer to render. Now, to preview the video, go to the Edit Walkthrough, jump to the frame 1 and press play. You can see how the camera moves through the space. If you want to view this in 3D, open the 3D view. Most importantly, in the visual style settings, I am using shaded. You can select realistic or textures or any one of this from these options, but I am taking a shaded option because it is faster for demonstration purpose. So I am selecting shaded. Now I am adjusting the capturing area so that we can visualize most of the area that we want to see. To preview the video, go to Edit Walkthrough, jump to frame 1 and press play. You can see how the camera moves through the space. Now, the last part of walkthrough is to export the video. So how to export the video? For that, you just simply go to the file option, then under this file there is an option export. So in this export option, scroll down to images and animation option and select walkthrough. Now you can configure your export settings here, but I will keep the defaults. Then click OK. And then choose your save location wherever you want to save your file and click save. You can see the progress bar as it renders frame by frame. So rendering is done. Now we can check out the walkthrough video. And in this way we can create a walkthrough which is helpful to practically visualize the structure, and we can also export the video.